Blockchain technology is rapidly reshaping global supply chains, delivering unprecedented levels of transparency, security, and operational efficiency. Traditional supply chains often suffer from fragmentation, limited visibility, and vulnerability to fraud. By leveraging decentralized ledgers, blockchain enables all participants to securely record, track, and verify every transaction. From raw materials to finished products, every step of the supply chain can be fully traced, ensuring product authenticity, reducing fraud, and enhancing regulatory compliance. Smart contracts further automate processes, executing agreements instantly and minimizing human error, while improving speed and reliability across the chain. Today, blockchain adoption is expanding beyond early use cases. Agriculture and food industries use it for provenance tracking and safety compliance. Automotive and aerospace sectors leverage it for component traceability and warranty management. Pharmaceutical companies rely on it to secure drug supply chains and prevent counterfeiting. Even retail, logistics, and energy sectors are using blockchain to optimize inventory, verify sustainability claims, and streamline cross-border transactions. With its transformative potential, blockchain is emerging as a cornerstone technology for future-proof, resilient, and intelligent supply chains, enabling companies to build trust, reduce costs, and unlock new operational efficiencies.